Woo! Yeah! Oh. Not. Oh, this might be my new channel logo, man. Smoke and Fire does some weird stuff. You know what I'm saying? Weird stuff. Already replaced the sheetrock where it burned. There. Yeah, I think you get the idea. Guess what happened? So a little tip for all you RCers who like to store your cars up around the rim of your garage. In case of fire, things don't do well at the top of the garage. That was a boat, a nitro outboard boat. Only RCs that survived were in metal cabinets on the floor. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And this is after I cleaned up for 2 days. This area over here looks clean, just thank God I got a couple of good buddies who came over and helped me try and clean up before the lady got home. Buy a slightly cooked mountain bike. Dinner's cleaned up.
I just jumped off your wake. Well, I guess.
Well, I guess.
What kind of question is that here? Like, let me get up with you. There's 2 boats. Yeah, what happened when they made the second boat? Drag race. Okay, good. Oh, wait, well, sorry. Mine's fucking trolling. You coming back around? I've got some built-in troll for some reason.
I'm gonna get next to you.
Okay. Get some.
Screaming. Dude, they were pretty even. What's up with mine, bro?
I don't know. What is up with it? Woo!
Oh, dude. Dude, this shit by itself?
Your,
Look at this.
that thing was totally coming out of the water.
The battery was holding it down.
Well, off the jump.
That was cool. The battery was holding it down. That worked good.
Holy shit! Shit! Well, at least it'll come back, right?
Yeah, that was good.